Hello, Photoshop enthusiast. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and versatile tool in Photoshop, Curves. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, this how to manipulate curves can significantly enhance your photo editing skills. So let's get started. First thing first, locate the curves panels, and before we need to import image, so you can find here I already have the image, and you can find by using the open, and you can select the images you want to work on. So for this tutorial I'll select this one. Now you can find the curves tool into the image, and you can find it into the adjustment, and you can also find there is the curves. So alternatively, you can also use the keyword shortcut key Ctrl+M, then it will give you the curves. So in the curves panel, you will see a grid responding or representing the tonal range of your image. So the bottom left, corner, you can find there, and this is the represent shadow, the top right corner representing the highlights in there, and the diagonal lines, baselines indicating the balance of tonal range. So now we want to work and we want to play with this one. So let me start this one, and if I want to make it, and I can just also use the coasters, like you can just use the ups and arrow in your keyboard, and here you can see it's now giving you this way. Now you can increase or decrease, like if I want to use from here, now you can see it gives you like this way, or I can just insert or decrease this one, and it can help you in this way. So and also you can also use from the adjustment to the color balance of your images, switch between RGB or red, green, blue channels to fine-tune the color balance by clicking over here, and it can give you that this channels, or you can find the blue and it can give you the blues one, or it can just change here as the green. So it can be help you and then increase decrease the green and there. Okay, so also you can change here the default, or you can change the preset like the colors navigate negative. It gives you the color negatives, or you can use the darkens for this one with the RGB, or lightest with the RGB, or you can change here the medium contrast. So here we have the medium contrasts in there. Okay, so sometimes you only want to adjust a specific part of the image. So click on the hand icon, and you can find there in the curves panel. Then okay, so this image drag ups and downs, and if I want to use this one, then I can just use this one. Now you can see, or I'll change here the RGB first, and I'll use this end to here, like I want to work in here. Now we can work. Now you can see it changes the specific area in there. Okay, so this way you can easily work with the curves in your Photoshop. So, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastery curves in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Okay, so thank you for watching and happy editing.